Hi, I'm Chris McDade. I've been an insurance agent since 2004, and today I'm going to share with you a little known home investor escrow hack. Call it the master insurance tip of the year, about how you can avoid having your home renovation funds locked up in escrow. It's commonly known that in cities on the east side of Cleveland, like Cleveland Heights, Euclid, Highland Hills, Shaker Heights, Mayfield Hts, Warrensville Hts, University Heights, Bedford Hts, Garfield Hts, Mayfield Hts, basically all the Heights, require escrow accounts to be established for major housing repairs prior to closing on a sale. This is true for all major exterior and interior items such as roof, chimney, paint, porch and step repair, downspouts, window and doors, concrete, tree removal, and fences. And also interior items such as electrical repair, plumbing repair, heating, foundation, and any major repairs with ceiling, walls, and floors. So if violations noted on a point of sale inspection are not corrected before the transfer of title, an escrow account must be established from the buyer and funds must be deposited to pay for and correct the violations. Many loan programs will not allow you to work this escrow account money into your financing. So how is this escrow amount determined? Well, the dollar amount is calculated by the city based on the average repair of costs multiplied by 125%. And in some cities like Shaker Heights, Bedford, and Warrensville Heights, they may require up to 150% of the total cost of repairs. So for example, let's say that the average cost of a new roof for a Cleveland Heights home is $7,500. The escrow requirement, which is 125% of that cost, would be $9,375. Add to that the average cost to paint the exterior of a Cleveland Heights home, which may be $4,500, the escrow requirement for which would be $6,250. Together, this is a total repair cost of $12,000, but you've got a total escrow requirement of $15,625. Note, this is true even if your actual costs to repair that property calculated or turn out to be less. You still need that money in escrow. Now there is an alternative to locking up your money in escrow. It's called a performance bond. And depending on the structure of your deal, you may have the ability to purchase a one-time performance bond from your insurance agent, which can satisfy your project's escrow requirement. What that means for you is that instead of having your $15,000 locked up into an escrow account for the duration of your project, you may purchase a performance bond which guarantees those funds to the city and only costs you, the rehabber, a few $100s. So the average cost for a performance bond is going to be between $25 and $35 per 1,000. So for our rehab example, your bond could cost anywhere between $390 to $546. Now, of course, with all things in life, there are caveats to how all of this should be set up. And it's important to coordinate with your contractor and an experienced licensed insurance agent who will help to make sure that all of the required paperwork is done right the first time. Cleveland is a great city on the rise, and I'm proud to call it my home. Again, I'm Chris McDade, your independent insurance consultant. I hope this information was helpful to you, and if you have any questions or would like to discuss your individual circumstances, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.